Let's talk about mid-century modern style. It started in the 1950s and 60s in the post-war of America. During this time, the design industry was trying to break out its barrier and dive into the modern era. In this particular era, majorly you will find use of rich and luxurious woods such as teak, rosewood and walnut. You guys need to choose unique items with different shapes and colors to get the perfect look of mid-century interiors. Mid-century modern. Mid-century style is a package deal. While some homes can have a different exterior styles to the interior, that doesn't really work with mid-century. The mid-century home must be mid-century, outside and inside. These interior designers take you back to the 1900s with some of the most iconic interior styles and designs. Mid-century modern interior designers offers you a unique blend of minimalism and a kind of an ancient retro look. The main theme followed by these designers is a fussy-free, which is usually accompanied by crisp, simple line, rusty metals, a lot of wood, subtle silhouettes and hues of blues and greens. Key elements: simplicity, superb craftsmanship, wood and natural finishes, tapered legs and floating furniture, combining natural and man-made material, modern prints, bold colors. We have finished 5 topics of different interior design styles. Now it is quiz time. So let's get started to recap what we have learned till yet. In this quiz, we will show you pictures of different interior styles and you have to identify. So all the very best.